果冻脉动心草动，最后还是忍不住对你心动。
Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I have got an exciting tutorial in store for you. Have you ever wondered how to take your amazing React based website and make it accessible to the world? Well, you are in the right place. In this tutorial we will be covering a step-by-step guide on how to post your React website on GitHub Pages, a free and easy way to showcase your work and to a global audience. Whether you are a seasoned developer or just getting started, this video will walk you through the entire process and make it simple and straightforward. We will start by setting up the necessary tools and configurations, gradually moving on to deploying our React application seamlessly on GitHub Pages. By the end of this tutorial, you will have your own live website up and running on GitHub Pages. So grab your coffee, fire up your code editor, and let's deep dive into wonderful world of deploying React apps on Git Pages. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have Node.js and npm installed on your machine. If you haven't already set up these, Node.js is a runtime, JavaScript runtime that allows you to run applications outside the web browser. npm or Node Package Manager is a tool that comes with Node.js, and it is used to install packages and manage dependencies. Installing Node.js will automatically install npm as well. You can download the latest version of Node.js from their official website, that is nodejs.org. Just click on this and follow the instructions that will install the Node.js on your system. Uh, if you are excited about deploying your React apps on Git pages, but you don't have a React app handy to practice with, don't worry, I have got you covered. In the video description below, you will find a link to a GitHub repository that contains a simple React application. You can download it, follow along with the tutorial, and practice the deployment steps as we discussed in the video. It's a fantastic way to get hands-on experience and solidify your understanding. And feel free to experiment, tweak the code, and explore the dynamic deployment process. So once you get the repository on your code editor, I'm using Visual Studio Code. You can use other editors that you want. So once you have it, open terminal, and you don't need to run npm install because we already have node modules here. But if you want to go ahead and run it, that's completely fine. It's up to you. To deploy our React app to GitHub Pages, we will need a package called GitHub Pages. This package automates the deployment process for us. Open your terminal on or command prompt and navigate to your project repository. And then now we need to install the package by running the following command, that is npm install GH pages, save, and then run dev. So just run this command. Yeah, so the GH pages is installed. This command will download and install the GH pages packages as a development dependency for our project. We will use this package later to deploy React app to GitHub Pages. So once GH pages is installed, then we need to update package.json. So here we have package.json, and in the package.json we need to enter two things. One is this: we need to set home page with your own repository name. So in my case, it's like homepage https then sham subres 16, which is my GitHub name as well. So this name you have to give it over there, and then the repository name. And also we need to update two more things here. We need to give these two instructions: predeploy npm run build deploy GitHub Pages -d build. I will provide this information and this information as well in the description, so you can use it from there. Once you have updated package.json file, then you can run the command npm build.
果冻脉动心草动，最后还是忍不住对你心动。牵手抱抱要亲亲。
And then once the build is complete, then you can run the command npm run deploy. Yes, it says publish. So once you see the message published, then navigate to your settings. In the GitHub settings, you will find pages. Click on the pages, and then you will find something like this. So here you need to select GH pages and save it. Okay, so I think my website is already live, so I'm seeing it here. But for you, it might take some time. It might take like 5 minutes or 3 minutes. Once it is up, you will see a success message, and you will also see a link to open the page. Congratulations, you did it. It's a proof that your React application is live on GitHub Pages. You have just made your project accessible to anyone around the world. This is an incredible achievement, and I encourage you to share your newly deployed website with friends, colleagues, or on social media. It's an excellent way to showcase your hard work and creativity. Keep exploring and building amazing things. And there you have it. We have successfully deployed a React application on GitHub Pages, from setting up the necessary configurations, pushing our project to live, and now possess a valuable skill that will help you share your project with the global community. I hope this tutorial was helpful and insightful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, and if you find it useful, subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and tips on web development and Java based applications. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you awesome projects you will share with the world. Happy coding.